Jeremiah Dixon. I am a Geordie boy, glass of wine with the youths and the ladies I'll enjoy. All Durham and Northumberland is measured up by my own hand. Was my fate from birth to make my mark upon the earth? He calls me Charlie Mason, stargazer of mine. Seems that I was born to chart the evening sky. He cut me out for bacon bread, but I had other dreams instead. Living in the bacon West Country, gonna join the Royal Society. We are sailing to Philadelphia, a world away from the cold, cold time. Sailing to Philadelphia to draw the line. With some Dixon line. You're a good surveyor, Dixon. When I swear you're gonna make me mad. The West gonna kill us both, you gullible Geordie lad. You talk of liberty, can America be free? A Geordie and a baker's boy in the forest of the Iroquois. Well, now hold your head up, Mason. America lies there. The morning tide raised the capes of Delaware. Come up and feel the sun. Your morning is big. Another day will make it clear why your stars should guide us here. We are sailing to Philadelphia, a world away from the cold time. Sailing to Philadelphia to draw the line. Mason.